So traders, the stock market pullback has maybe finished. Maybe this is the end of the pullback, and maybe we're getting a bit of a slight pullback on the mining sector as well too. So let me give you an update on what I'm seeing in the markets. Let's get straight into it, traders. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders, let's get straight into it. Guys, I'm giving away a free trading course, link in the description. Go grab it. Let's actually start off with the good old stock market, and then I'll get to gold, silver mining sector. Now, isn't it interesting? Look at the stock market. Oh my goodness, right? So we have a bit of a pullback, just 1 day, 2 day, and then we're almost back at all-time new highs again. It's just like, isn't it interesting? It's like a little pullback, almost at new highs right now. So the market is very, very, very strong right now. Like just very, 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 very strong. And it does look like we're likely to continue to see this blow off move, or this blow off top that we're actually experiencing right now, I believe. And it does look like, just looking at this stock, just looking at here, once we actually break this channel, right? Once we actually start to break out of here, like we're going to start to make some serious moves to the upside. We're going to go gadget go. And my minimum target is 5,000. My aggressive target is 5,400, but 5,400 is up there. If we do continue the angle of ascent that we're doing right now, like where we are right now, if we go from the sort of the bottom of the move and the average angle of ascent, we're probably going to get to somewhere. Now this is the average angle of ascent, so probably somewhere through there. So 5,300 to maybe 5,000. That's if we continue this angle of ascent. But if we start to like break up and then we start to do something like this, where we just start to do something like that, we break away, then we're probably going to get to that 5,400. If we get something like that, or if we just get some nice sort of sideways movement up, then we're probably going to get to there by the end of this year. So a 5,000 print, guys, again, that's only around about 5 to 6% to the upside. So that's my very first target that I've had for the entire year. Move over now through to the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq, same sort of thing, right? We're almost about to break this level through here. So I've always had a 17,000 target Nasdaq, but it looks like, once again, if we continue this here, this overall average ascent, then we could actually start to see maybe an 18,000 on the Nasdaq. You know, if we continue to see a little bit upward movement and a continuation, we could actually see, again, an 18,000 on that there. So really, really, really interesting stuff that's happening through the markets. The market is very, very, very strong right now. Very, very, very strong. Which makes me happy being long. And so the gold market actually had a little bit of a sideways down today. It had a bit of an open, rally up, pullback. I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, if this was actually a bit of a just a bit of a shake and bake period, what I call. And then so we are definitely, if we could see, we had a major significant support level here. So I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, if it did actually have a bit of a pullback through here, just like we did through here, bit of a pullback and then another high low, and then away we go when it comes to gold in the in the gold prices here. So really, 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 really interesting stuff that we're seeing through on the gold price, guys. But I wouldn't be too worried about that just yet anyway. Move over now through to silver, and silver's just again sideways, not really much going on. We definitely do have like a bit of a short-term upward movement here, like a bit of a short-term upward channel going on through here, as you can see. So we definitely do have that sort of nice high-low rally up, and we're getting a little bit of a pullback now. We are failing out these highs, which is sort of bothering me, because we had this sort of head and shoulder formation, and we rallied up, and now we're just going sideways. So we're not really, let me go have a look at this hourly chart here for a minute. We're not really following through here. So that's actually a bit of a worrisome in the silver price. We want to see this thing continue up when it comes to the good old silver market there. Move over now through to GDX as well too, and GDX like a bit of a small down day, but again, I wouldn't be too worried about that. We may just be getting ready for another pullback through here. This is always the hardest thing, isn't it? As we continue filtering this sort of triangle pattern, as you can see, we've just broken down, but we continue to filter this triangle pattern. We may not be getting ready for a big blowout now, but the scenario that may be happening is we may get something like this, and then we get the breakout, and then we see the blow off move for mining sector, that is, for that GDX and also the SIL as well too. Beautiful V bottom, a little bit of a sideways day. The one thing we don't want to see is we don't want to see this low broken. We had a low, high, and a high, low, high, higher low, and a rally up. We don't want, if we break this low through here, guys, this whole pattern through here is totally negated, and then we're probably going to see another big move to the downside. Right now, we're not getting that. Right now, I'm not saying we're going to get that. Right now, we are simply just creating a very nice higher low V bottom head and shoulder formation. I do believe we're likely to continue seeing a move up when it comes to the SIL market, but right now we're just going sideways. And again, just because the market, like what I'm doing right, this is how you trade the markets, right, traders? You see what the market's telling you today, and then if a few days later that market starts to change its tune, then you guess what? You need to respond to get out for a loss or hold on for a profit, right? That's what we do as traders. So a lot of traders, like, because the market's saying something today, they get so like, this is definitely going to happen. This is certain. No, right? What I am very, very confident with is that this is the head and shoulder formation. We are getting that right now. And there's a massive probability we're going to see a big move up. But if it doesn't, guess what? We need to adapt and we need to bend and mold with that. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is certain. All we can simply go on is what the market is telling us at the time, and then make a good decision from that.
Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new Breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new Breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.